Sweet boy. Good morning, Mommy. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Shyla. Happy 2023, and if you're further in the year watching this video, just know that time is human construct, is completely relative, and you can start doing things whenever you're ready. I have just been procrastinating and putting things off for the last 6 months, so the new year was kind of a sign to me to be like, hey, you're never gonna be ready, but it's the new year, so might as well start some stuff now, right? Anyways, I personally love to get off on a fresh start by really making my environment not only clean, but also organized and kind of therapeutic and homey and everything. And as you saw in the beginning of this video, I took most of the day to clean and get to a good point where I felt like I could start to build. So that was taken on January 1st, and today is Tuesday, January 3rd, and today we are focusing more on the setting intentions aspect of the day and creating a vision board together. I create new vision boards probably every few months because I'm just the type of person that's like, what's the next thing? Let's shift directions. I embrace wanting to change my mind and be a different person every few months, so that's fine. If you're anything like that, or if you just want to create a vision board with me, I have created kind of a process that I really like since I've created these before, and I think I have it pat down, so we're gonna do that together today. Without further ado, let's get started. Woo! I almost fell off the bed. Okay, as you can see, my vision board from last summer is still up, but I have not been motivated by it very much at all. I feel like whenever I made that vision board, I was really goal focused and this specific thing has to happen. I don't know, just super hyper focused on the goal and the outcome instead of just expecting that there will be days and weeks and months even where I would be down and where I wouldn't want to be focused on those goals anymore. Anyway, so the place I'm at now is really just honestly trying to honor my season, and instead of having very fixed specific goals, I really just have more general directions that I feel like I want to go in this year. And a lot of that is honestly just finding ways that work for myself to get closer to things that I've called my priorities, which is my health and my mindset and who I want to show up as in the world and everything like that. And I really feel like just having the general themes and vibes put up on the vision board already really inspire me to move in that direction without putting the pressure on myself to attain a very specific outcome. So I am really excited to just embrace life this year. I think that's personally helpful with me when it comes to me trying to find my balance, because for a long time I thought that meant be perfect most of the time and then don't be perfect some of the time. But actually I was researching how to find balance, because that is also a really big theme for this year, and I actually saw this thing, I don't remember where it's from anymore. It said lose balance to find balance, and that resonated with me so much because I realized when you expect that you're gonna lose balance, then you can embrace that with open arms and look at it as it's a good thing that I'm gonna lose balance, because then I'll know what to do or what to change or what to keep in mind to find it again. I'll then know what's not working for me and what is working for me, and looking at it as a growing thing instead of like, I've lost my balance, I've completely messed up and now I have to find it again. That shift has made a big impact in my brain. So that's kind of how I'm looking at the intention for this year in terms of the direction that I want to go in. So anyways, let's talk vision boards since I was rambling so long. Let's get into the process. The first thing that you want to do is go on Pinterest and browse. I did this for hours. There's no time limit. There's no rules. Just be you. Just let your soul speak. Don't think about it. You see an image, you like it, save it. Save the image to a Pinterest board. And one of my biggest tips is when you're on Pinterest looking for images, do try to find ones that already have a collage in them because it is super convenient and time saving to just put the collage in the Canva collage. So that's a great tip, which I have done several times now. Then once you're ready, you feel like you've accumulated probably too many images, go to that board, maybe narrow it down, save the images that you want for your vision board into your pictures. Then go into Canva and type in vision board. There's a lot of free options. I used free option, so I clicked on that. I had already kind of done something in there, so there were already pictures of mine in there, but I guess I don't know what I was doing, so I just updated that one. I moved the pictures into Canva. Once you're in Canva and you are uploading the images, just kind of crop it how you want, create it how you want. There's no right or wrong way as long as you love it. And then save that image to your photos. After you're there, we have a Bluetooth printer, so I could just print the images from there, but otherwise print them out however you can print them out. And now you're caught up to where I am, but we had a small mishap. My printer printed out my vision board things pretty green. Green was not my vibe, let me tell you that. Like, nothing wrong with green, but just was not the look I was going for. But we are embracing we're embracing mishaps this year. It's all good, and honestly, probably, like I said, I create a new vision board in a few months anyway, so whatever. I'm chill. Okay, so we have this one and this one. These are two that I probably, like I said, keep some of the stuff on my vision board still, so I just figured it'd be like a mash of stuff I like. Okay, obviously, therapeutic household. We all want that. That's really honestly something that I'm really trying to set up this month. I have put a lot of things that like seem pretty stylish. Croissants? Yes? Is that a vibe? I don't know. Anyways, this was just kind of reminding me to have balance in like my choices and stuff. So I have these like quotes or mindset things as well, because I really do believe that your mindset is a really powerful tool. So I really like the idea of kind of reading these positive affirmations every day, or reading quotes with perspective, and like constantly reminding myself that there is more perspective and that your mindset controls your life, no pressure. So anyways, that was kind of that one. Nothing super special. Like I said, no specific goals. We are moving away from that for now. This one is blue. I don't know if you can see it that well, but okay, here we are. Successful. I believe that everybody should have their own definition of what success is, because there is a general societal version of success which makes you think that there is only one type of success, and that if you're not that you're not successful. And I think it's important to like know for yourself what you think makes you successful. So I have actually already defined this for myself, so and then I remind myself of those things. Creative is such a good one. I feel like personally I've always been a naturally creative person, but I also feel like I stunt my creativity, my own creativity, because I am so self-critical. I literally criticize my own creativity and like, no, that's not good. But like in reality, I also try to remind myself of this as well. Like, In reality, creativity isn't wrong. Like, it can't really be wrong. Like, anyway, so I'm just also trying to remind myself of that one and like remind myself to like let myself be creative. Soulful, I'm pretty sure that was already written in Canva. I just really liked it because I really like the idea of aligning my actions with the values that I've identified for myself, and whenever I move away from that, I feel like I'm not being authentic. And soulful is kind of, to me, another way to say create from your soul, or like be from your soul. That reminds me to like realign to what I believe in and like what I want to do and what my values are, instead of like moving further away from that. So basically this is like reminding me to like recenter and like produce things that are very true to me, and like doing and living things that are very true to me. And I also wrote, it's safe for me to let go of what no longer serves me. We love that. I also have, I am in control of my thoughts and actions. I can choose how I respond to any situation, but I cannot control the reactions of others. I can choose how to walk through successes and challenges. I choose to respond with grace, kindness, and wisdom. So a lot of these affirmations or these quotes, whether I can fully identify with them and believe them or not, I kind of believe that I will one day believe these things if they're repetitively being read in my mind, or if I'm repetitively seeing them. And honestly, a lot of times they are just reminders. Those were the things for my vision board. I am gonna start to organize this now, so let's get started. By the way, I do really like to save the images and all these pictures and papers in a box that I have of just a bunch of stuff that I like to keep, and so it doesn't go to waste. I think it's really cool to be able to like look back at these and I don't know. Ooh, I really do like this one though. This one says, I hear you, but you can handle this. We love that because it's acknowledging feelings while also taking a step into discomfort. And plus vitamins and a organized closet. That still resonates. I'm gonna keep that one. We like this wedding one since I'm getting married this year. That would be a nice one to keep up. This whole CEO thing, I don't know. I think that was like hustling vibes, but slow and steady wins the race, Shy. Let's do this now. Okay, this stuff is okay. I do like this. So we'll keep that section. We'll keep the wedding, and then we'll update. So let's see. Here. So maybe this one can go here. So let's use this one for now. Ah! Ooh, I like how this looks. Yes. We cut that off, so we have to make this one. Okay, don't rip, please. Okay, it ripped a little. Well, it actually worked out. There we go. Yeah, I like that. So this is the final status of the vision board for now. Probably I'll put some more affirmations here and here later, but my printer is out of ink and honestly I don't know how to fix that, so we're waiting for boss to get home to fix that. So I'm gonna do something else right now. To be honest, this current space is actually a mess, and since this video is about resetting, I guess it is a sign to move on to that. So let's do the bedroom quickly and the rest of whatever needs to be cleaned up. girl. Pretty much done. Complete. Dining room, also done. Kitchen, done. And the bathroom. Hi, Jack. Last part, I really wanted to show you this because I was so excited about it. I love this setup so much. I got this new skincare set from Face Theory and I organized it all based on usage. So this is like the daily stuff that I mostly use, and then this is more like the weekly stuff that I use, and then this is kind of like random or monthly stuff. These are reusable cotton pads. Really love them in general. They're like the perfect amount of softness and they give the perfect amount of like exfoliation. This setup has been amazing, especially because I've never really had a like full-on skincare routine regimen thing step by step, all from one brand. Like, it's new for me and I'm loving it. But anyways, Boss and I are getting married in May, so it's about time to start a skincare routine that I really like. I also really wanted to find a brand that was like ethical, sustainable, and also had like good reviews, and this brand, Face Theory from the UK, had all three, so we're gonna try it out. So yeah, I really truly feel like the house is reset and my stuff is reset for the new year. I feel really clear on my intentions and the directions that I want to go in, the things that I want to put extra attention on, like my focuses and like directional stuff. I'm just gonna leave you with this. I do really hope that you enjoyed this video though, and that you maybe took something away from it. If you did, let me know down in the comments, and otherwise just let me know your intentions or goals or mindsets or mantras or whatever you have for 2023. I'd love to know them. And while you're down there, don't forget to like this video if you liked it so that I know to make more content like this. I hope that you have a really great day and a really good 2023. See you in my next video. Bye.